Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. Sorry for the loud noise. I am at Kimberly Brown's house in Conyers, Georgia. I am on her roof. We will be removing a damaged shingle today. Here's the damaged shingle on her right slope. I will be removing this and let you guys follow along with me during the repair process. They do have a discontinued shingle. This is a chalet, so I will have to replace it with a 30-year laminate shingle. Alrighty guys, and those 3 shingles are the shingles involved. Alright. There's 2 nails on this one. Alright guys, the shingle should just slide out now. Okay. So as you guys can see, this shingle, this laminate shingle that's going in is a different size shingle than the chalet. That much overlap. So as you can see, that much of the shingle is overlap. So that would need to be trimmed to fit into this space. right, guys. New shingle is in. All right. So here's the new shingle that is in, guys. As you can see here, these are shingles that were untouched. No granules, no loose granules comes off of them. Now these are the shingles that were manipulated. You can see the creasing across. Now if I wipe my hands very gently across on these shingles that you touch, you can see the granules fall off, and you can see the creasing and the cracked mat right there on all these shingles. So this is an Atlas Chalet shingle. Like I said, they're different sizes than the 30-year laminates that are sold today. They will have to be trimmed, but as you can see, after the repair, these shingles will be damaged and affected during that repair process. I will go ahead and take some additional photos for you guys. Thank you very much.